Good morning, everyone. I'll continue trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. In the previous video, I had asked you to memorize the table for all trigonometrical ratios and for all standard angles. There are 6 trigonometrical ratios and 5 standard angles. For each standard angle, each trigonometrical ratio have different values and you have to memorize it, or you can learn the technique to calculate the value of sine. Once you get sine, you can easily calculate cos, and when you get cos, you divide both the values, you get tan, and once you get tan, all three are known, then remaining you can calculate by reciprocating. Cosec is reciprocal of sine, sec is reciprocal of cos, cot is reciprocal of tan. So let's continue with the chapter. And in previous video, I think I have done around 4 or 5 sums. Question number 3, part 2. Question says that find the value of 2 root 2 cos 45 degree, cos 60 degree plus 2 root 3 sin 30 degree tan 60 degree minus cos 0 degree. So we have the question and standard angles and trigonometrical ratios are given. 2 root 2 is kept as it is with multiplication sign. Substitute the value of cos 45, and cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 60, 1 upon 2. 2 root 30 as it is multiplication sign. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Tan 60 is root 3 minus cos 0 is 1. Values are very important. Without values, you cannot simplify this question. Root 2 cancels, 2 cancels. You are left with 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 cancels, root 3 multiply root 3 is 3 minus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, or you can cancel plus minus. So you can try question number 3 part 2. Part 3 also similar. Now look at this question number 4. It says that prove it. So I'm not doing question number 1. I'll be doing question number 4 part 2. Question says that prove it for sine to the power of 4 30 degree plus cos to the power of 4 60 degree minus 3 cos square 45 degree minus sine square 90 degree is equal to 2. And since you are asked to prove it, so you proceed with left hand side, right left hand side, and copy the left part of the equation. 4, you need to put curl bracket because exponent is 4. We put bracket and exponent outside the bracket. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Similarly, exponent is 4. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2. Then we close the bracket. Minus 3 Again, open the curl bracket. Cos squared 45. Square it outside. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 minus, again square it, sin 90 is 1, then close the bracket. Simplification now. 4, small bracket, 1 upon 2 to the power of 4 means that same fraction is multiplied 4 times. If you get mixed up, you can write at the side and calculate. Numerator you multiply with 1, denominator you multiply with 16. So 1 upon 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 1 upon 16 plus similar 1 upon 16 minus 3, 1 upon 2 minus 1. Use board mass to simplify it. 16, 1 plus 1, 3 you write as it is, 2, simplify it now, 1 minus 2, 4 multiplication, 2 divides by 16, minus 3 multiplies, subtract, you get minus 1 upon 2. So you can simplify this. 4 times 16, 1, 2 times, you are left with 1 upon 2. Minus multiplies minus is plus, 3 upon 2. Take LCM to 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4 upon 2. Cancel it, you get 2. Proving, therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. You have to write at the end proving. So this is how we simplify and prove it. You can try question number 4.1 and 4.2. Now see this question number 5, and it is an important sum. Question number 5, part 1. Question says that if x equal to 30 degree, verify that tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x 1 minus tan square x. So look at this part of the sum, and you need to be attentive. Left hand side, you copy this tan 2x. Tan is written as it is, 2 multiplication sign. X we know 30, so we substitute tan, do the multiplication, you get 60 degree. And tan 60 degree is root 3. This is the simplified left hand side. Now you have to simplify the right hand side. RHS, copy it, 2 tan x 1 minus tan square x 2 tan 30 degree 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Substitute the value of x. Now value of tan 60 is substituted. 2 into tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. 1 minus 1 upon root 3 whole square. Look at this simplification part. Numerator 2, because 2 multiplies 1, and denominator root 3 is kept as it is. Simplify this. 1 minus square of 1 is 1, square of root 3 is 3. Numerator 2 root 3. You have to take LCM to simplify this. 3 minus 1. 2 upon root 3. Subtract 2 by 3. Now reciprocate it. 2 root 3. 3, 2. Cancel it. You get 3 upon root 3, which is not equal to left hand side. On the left hand side we got root 3. So whenever you have irrational number at denominator, irrational means number which is under root, this part has to be rationalized. 3 root 3. Multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3. This step is called rationalization. Multiply numerator. 3 root 3. Root 3 multiplies root 3 is 3. Now you cancel it. You get root 3. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. Proved. Please do practice this question. It is an important sum. Question number 5-2 is similar. Question number 6 is similar. You just need to substitute the value and simplify it. Look at question number 7. It says that if theta equal to 30 degree, verify. So I'm not doing question number 1, I'll not do question number 2, I'll do question number 3, 7 part 3. Verify that sine 3 theta equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. See this? If you understand this calculation, you can do others easily. Similar sum to the previous one, left hand side, sine 3 theta, sine 3 multiplied by 30 because theta is 30 degree, sine 90, and you know the value of sine 90 which is equal to 1. Right hand side, sine theta minus 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Substitution now. 3 sine 30 degree, 4 sine cube 30 degree. And once you substitute angle, the standard values for each has to be substituted. 3 into 1 upon 2 because sine 30 is 1 upon 2. 4 it has cube 1 upon 2 to the power of 3. 3 upon 2 minus 4 into 1 upon 8. Cube of 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 8. 2 times. You are left with 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Take LCM. You get 2. 3 minus 1. Subtract 2 divides by 2 which is equal to 1. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. Proving when value of theta is given. So please do try question number 7, remaining sums. Now another important question. It is similar. Question says that if A is equal to 60 degree, B is equal to 30 degree, verify, again prove it. I am doing first one. Sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus sine B cos A. This is trigonometrical formula. When you go to higher classes, in class 11, you have to use this. And these are all important formulae which we deal with trigonometry. So see how do we prove it. Left hand side, sine A plus B. Sine A is 60, B is 30. You cannot substitute individually, you need to follow the simple step, board mass. Simplify this bracket first. Sine 90. Sine 90 is equal to 1. This is left hand side. Right hand side, you copy whatever you have on the right hand side. Then substitute the angles. Sine 60, cos 30, sine 30, cos 60, because A is 60, B is 30. Now substitute standard value of each trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. Root 3 upon 2. Cos 30 is again root 3 upon 2. Sine 30 is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 cos 60. Numerator multiplies, you get 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Take LCM. 4, 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4 upon 4, 1. Compare left and right side. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proving. This is first sum. Let's do one more sum based on this. Question number 10(4). Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divides by 1 plus tan A tan B. Another trigonometrical formula. Left hand side, tan A minus B. Substitute the angles. Tan 60 minus 30. Subtract. You get tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to 1 upon root 3. Simplify the right hand side now. RHS. Copy it. Tan 60 minus tan 30, 1 plus tan 60, tan 30. Now you have to substitute the values. Tan 60 is root 3, 1 upon root 3, 1 plus tan 60 is root 3, 30 is 1 upon root 3. You can cancel it now. Root 3 from denominator you cancel. You cannot cancel numerator because there is minus sign. Simplify the numerator. Take LCM. And LCM is root 3. Root 3 multiplies, you get only 3 minus 1. 1 plus 1 is left. 3 minus 1 is 2 divides by root 3. Denominator you have 2. Reciprocate this by making a fraction at denominator. 2 by root 3 into 1 upon 2. Cancel it, which is equal to 1 divides by root 3. left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. So these are sums based on trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. There are some more sums and I'll be discussing those sums in upcoming video. So please do memorize the values of standard angles for all trigonometrical ratios. Without values, calculations will be difficult. So please memorize it. Thank you very much. Stay safe.